Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video I'm going to explain about Redhat certified system administrator, how the exam will happen and what are the topics under this exam will be covered in this tutorial video. So stay connected with me and subscribe to my channel for more videos. So in this video we will cover all the topics for this exam and we will discuss in deep for difficult and complex topics, and I will help you to set up a lab environment using VirtualBox so that you can get real-time experience in command line interface, and make sure you have completed all the lab session that I gave. Okay, and then what is expected? Nothing much, but some basic IT knowledge and computer experience is much needed, and prior experience on Linux will be helpful. If not, that's not a problem. I hope only beginners will see this video. They will not much aware on Linux. No problem, we will manage. So let's get started. Okay, so what to expect on RHCSA exam? Okay, in my point, I would like to say before going to attend the exam, just Google the RHCSA objectives in Google. Okay, because they may change the objectives, and just go through all the topics that you have gone or not. I will go to objectives. Okay, so study points for the exam. Okay, let's see one by one. Understand and use essential tools like input output direction and creating files, editing files, or create, delete or copy, move files. It's very basic for Linux administrator. You must all need to know about this. We will learn under this topic everything later on this video. And create a simple shell script like a conditional execute code using use looping constructors, or processing output of the shell commands with the script. It's also we will see later on this video. And operate running systems. It's like booting, rebooting, and shut down, how the server should be handled, and how to check the CPU and memory. It's mandatory. If the CPU and memory goes high, the server may get crashed, or may go down. So it should be very careful. And starting and stopping the status of network services is also mandatory. And the server transfer files, we will check on this, check later videos. And configure the local storage is like it's very important that we will see what is volume, what is physical volume, what is logical volume groups is also very important. And create and configure file system is like, for Windows we have local disk C, D, E and all, right? Like that Linux will have, for example, /etc/opt. These files are more important for application deployment. After that, deploy, configure and maintain system is like start and stop services to start automatically at boot. Services like firewall or SSH, any network services, we need to configure, and we need to make sure it should up when automatically after the reboot. Okay, and then manage basic networking is also very important, like IP address and how it should be configured, everything. And manage users and groups is like whenever the application is deployed, that separate user ID should be created, and the groups also should be created, and you must know which user should be under which group. If we are deploying DB2, the DB2 ADM group should be there, so that every users can able to start and stop services of DB2 or access DB2 anything. Then manage security. The firewall is one of the tool for security, and we will see. And manage containers. It's not very important actually. It's all basic for cloud. The manage containers is like Docker, pods, containers. These are all very related to cloud. So we will check this on later. So this is the objective, and you make sure before going to exam just go through it. And exam timings 3 hours, as you all know. And I said right about the services, you should configure the services what in the exam hall said. you need to start the services, and before leaving the exam hall, just reboot the server and check whether the service is running or not. If the service is not up and running, you will not get points. So make sure the service is enabled and running. So on that exam hall, no access of internet, only man page will be there. Man page we will see. You can take rest or anything. So and ID is must, as you all know. So what is the next video? Next video is for preparing lab environment for Windows. I'm using VirtualBox and downloading image from CentOS, which is open source. It's very useful and friendly to for beginners. That's why I chose that. And thank you so much for watching. Keep connected with me so that upcoming topics you not to miss. Thank you so much.